to my YouTube live. This is Into Deep Promotions, where you get updated on latest information coming straight away from northern Uganda. As usual, my name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Twa. Today I have some good news. If you are in Gulu City and you want to have some good time, yeah, every Tuesday we normally have the walk jam session. This is walk. Walk stands for West Nile, Acholi, Lao, and Karamoja. So every Tuesday we have the walk jam session, whereby we have live band performances from your favorite musicians from the walk sub-region, that is West Nile, Acholi, Lao, and Karamoja. And it happens every Tuesday at Murphy's Lounge, opposite Gulu Independent Hospital. So tonight, if you're in Gulu City, come through at Murphy's Lounge so that we have quality time together. Yeah, walk jam session. Expect great performances from the Smart Band. We have Nessa, we have Fatsi, we have Timmy G, and we have some great guys who play the band. Make sure you don't miss. And tonight we shall also be having performances from CMB Destruction. Yeah, the night is hosted by MC Young Money and MC Ricky P. So make sure you are part of it. DJ Young, big up on yourself wherever you are watching from. Yeah, we also had the opportunity to have DJ Young of One Low TV for the walk jam session some time back. He represented for Lango sub-region alongside Professor Maros. It was a very wonderful night. We look forward to having you again in Gulu City. DJ Young of One Low TV, big up on yourself. Yeah, tonight we are vibing at Murphy's Lounge. Jam Yet, hello, how are you? Big up on yourself. Where are you watching from? Yeah, so that's the program for tonight. Jam session, the walk jam session. If you're a musician out there in the walk sub-region and you are not yet registered, please make sure that you register. Registration is going for only 30,000 Uganda shillings. 10,000 is for walk registration, and then 20,000 is for SACCO registration. If you're part of the SACCO and you're saving with the SACCO, you are in position to borrow up to 3 times what you have saved. So the interest rate is very low, not compared to any of the banks out there. Why is it happening like this? Musicians have to grow. If you are a musician out there and you want to invest in a business or something alternative to music, you can borrow. Or if you also want to borrow the money to invest in your career, well and good. So make sure you join Walk. Yeah, if you're a musician or a creative out there. Walk caters for 9 domains, the 9 domains of the entertainment industry. We have books and publishing, we have songwriters, we have musicians, we have videographers. We have very many kind of creative designers. Yeah, so work caters for all of them. It's not just about musicians, it's about the entire creatives. So tonight, let us link up at Murphy's Lounge, opposite Gulu Independent Hospital for the jam session. Expect great performances from Nessa of the Smart Band, Timmy G of the Smart Band, and also Fat C. These are very talented young ladies who are very good at live band. So Make sure you're there. Our guest for tonight is CMB Destruction. Yeah. So don't miss out great performances from CMB Destruction. Uh, we are going to be having great mixes from your favorite DJs. The night is hosted by MC Young Money and MC Ricky P. If you've just joined the live, I want to say thank you so much for being part of it. Big up on yourself wherever you're watching from. My name is Tony Areo, aka Mr. Tua, and this one here is Into Deep Promotions YouTube channel. I have very good news for you, our subscribers out there. You guys have really done a great job pushing for us, sharing our content, watching our videos, and subscribing. So we have made it to 98,000 followers. 98,000 followers. We are just left with 2,000 to make it to 100K followers. When we get to 100K followers, we are going to be rewarded with the YouTube Silver Award. So we are only left with few. Keep on sharing the videos, keep on watching our videos. Let us push Northern Uganda to the rest of the world. We have plenty of interviews on the channel. We have plenty of cultural dances on the channel, and we also have plenty of content around Northern Uganda here. If you go to our YouTube shorts, you'll be finding a lot of performances, especially from the walk jam sessions, which happen every Tuesday. So please make sure that you share our videos so that content from Northern Uganda gets to reach a very big audience out there. And we also have playlists which include actually cultural dances, some of your interviews, and a lot of stuff. So make sure you keep on watching and sharing so that it reaches very many people. Yeah, otherwise, wishing you guys all a wonderful Monday wherever you are. I wish you guys the best of the day. I look forward to seeing you tonight at Murphy's Lounge for the jam session. Otherwise, big up on yourself wherever you are. Blessings, peace, and love.